Gotta go, we gotta go. You hear that, Cricket? He's been chilling forever. Oh, this is crazy, dude. I can't see a damn thing. What the heck? The fog's all gone, bro. It was literally just back there. That is so weird. I forgot 8 a.m. is like when everyone goes to work, bro. I feel like I'm caught in the rat race right now. I'm a part of the system. I don't even know if we're going the right way, but I'm not about to wait at a light twice, bro. That's crazy. There's just no way, bro. Taco Bell for breakfast? That guy's a sick fuck, dude. That Honda Civic is sick. And we got a little tunnel coming up. Just don't know. Yeah, I can get enough distance on this guy. Oh, dude. Nah, wait. That guy loves us. As long as this Mini Cooper doesn't get in front of us. Hang on. Hold. Hold. could do the little shortcut, but whatever. We can all make this light. Oh, for Shirley. Perfect. No scrape. Yes, picking up the yards from the UPS store. We do ship them to you, by the way, if you didn't know. It's our Halloween drop. We got drops every Friday. Flour, concentrate, pens, whatever you need, man. Yeah, got you. Thank you so much. Ooh, got the fresh whip, fresh yards. Oh my goodness, what a fantastic day today. Oh man, it's like Christmas in here. Dude, the haunted honey. The zombie pops. What a haul. Thank you guys for tuning into this short little drive. That's what it's like picking up some carts in the whip. Next time we'll pick up some eighths, maybe some other stuff. I'll see you next time. Make sure you guys stay safe out there. Stay a little sexy too. And I'll see y'all soon. Peace.